Hello children, we make home for some pet and farm animals. Let's learn the name of their homes, where we keep them. Cow. We keep cow in shade. We keep cow in shade. Hen. We keep hen in coop. We keep hen in coop. Fish. We keep fish in fish bowl or aquarium. Fish bowl. Sheep. We keep sheep in pen. We keep sheep in pen. Horse. We keep horse in stable. We keep horse in stable. Dog. We keep dog in kennel. We keep dog in kennel. Goat. We keep goat in barn or shade. We keep goat in barn or shade. Birds. We keep birds in cage. We keep birds in cage. Thank you. Watch the video again.